Hey guys, it's hi. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix CV. If you tell him hi, it it shows a message, but you can't hear her. That's because first of all, I just want to say that my channel name has been changed once again to my channel is the flash, and this logo will be there. First of all, we just have to go to settings, scroll down to CV. Voice feedback. If it's on hands free, it says it's written down here. It says that if it is connected to a earphone or a headphone or a speaker, then only you can use Voice. So we have to click on this always on. Go back. You can test, and if it doesn't works, you can dislike the video or tell something in the comments. Please, if you like, please like and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day.